metal receiving here. Today I've got an idea that actually came from Bobby. Bobby was the one that took the idea and actually implemented it. So on our picking carts, we like to have our tablets with us for live picking. And we've got this nifty little contraption that we have Velcro that attaches to our tablet that sticks to this holder, and then we can just hang it on our carts. What we were finding though is if we were hanging it by just the top post, when we were picking metal onto the top shelf, it was getting in the way and we couldn't actually access it. So what Bobby did is he went and he attached a whole bunch of these little bracket holders for it. And now instead of having our tablet here like this, we put it on top like this. We can still access this top shelf and our tablet at the same time. On top of that, it also gave us a nice place to put our cart inspection sheet. So instead of having that dangling from somewhere or just loosely ready to fall over, we put it up there and it's always accessible. Yeah, that's pretty much it.